Welcome to the channel dedicated to amazing machines and incredible tools that take creativity and repair to a whole new level. Yes, today we will dive into the wonderful world of technology and tell you about the most satisfying machines that perform real miracles, as well as about amazing tools that will help you in everyday tasks.
Let's go!
In 1816, during an experiment with the polarization of light, the kaleidoscope was invented and patented by the Scottish physicist Sir David Brewster. Who would have thought that painting plates could be so entertaining? And with the help of such a clever mechanism, American farmers harvest nuts. Thanks to the use of several types of paints, you can get a shade of any color. An industrial vegetable peeler is capable of peeling fruits or vegetables of any kind and volume. Chinese woodworkers are able to make paper from a single piece of wood using a plane. This method of making paper using a plane is a rather creative and experimental process that can create unique textures and designs. With the advent of technology, manual planting of rice was replaced by mechanical planting. After consuming various drinks, thousands of metal cans are pressed and sent for further processing. In order for bags of cement to remain on pallets during transportation, they are packed in plastic wrap. When repairing the roadway, if necessary, sewer manholes are also replaced. Affogato is a dessert based on coffee. Dessert is usually made from vanilla ice cream, which is poured with a portion of hot espresso. There are varieties of dessert with the addition of amaretto or other liqueur. Affogato is eaten with a spoon. Finally, you no longer have to suffer with a roller, and a robot painter can easily cope with painting the ceiling. In the process of making building bricks, they are cut using a special heavy-duty thread. This bike from the future looks unusual and fantastically original, but the question arises in its practical operation. The blanks are given the required shape with the help of special presses or a pneumatic hammer. Further, the parts are subjected to heat treatment and cleaning. The resulting blanks are transferred to the following sites for stamping and locksmith processing, completing the process. Painting the pipe from the inside is no longer a problem thanks to this special mechanism. Before you start making office paper of any format, it must be cut from a roll. Bamboo toothbrushes are made by hand and are even in good demand in Asian countries. Unloading of metal waste is carried out using a giant magnet. In the production of rubber gloves, a special solution is applied to the fabric base. Thank you for watching to the end. I always strive to improve the quality and offer you something new and interesting, so I am sure that you will like the next video even more. Thank you for your support. Subscribe, put a like and a notification so that you don't miss anything.